Assalamu alaikum. I am Shahina Asghar, Assistant Professor of RLK College of Home Economics, Karachi, from FHT Department. My subject is Family and Community Development 1, course number 514.3, topic Juvenile Delinquency, unit number 2, class 5th semester FHT Department. Today, juvenile delinquency. What is juvenile delinquency? Juvenile delinquency is one of the most important serious problem of a society. It is almost an outcome of rapid urbanizations and industrialization of modern times. A large number of children moving from rural areas to cities or living in slum areas in cities are found to be highly vulnerable to this process. This has almost become a universal problem in most of the industrialized countries. Meaning and definition of juvenile delinquency. Delinquency is a kind of abnormality when an individual divides from the course of normal social life. His behavior is called delinquency. When a juvenile below an age specified under a status exhibits behavior which may prove to be dangerous to society, he may be called juvenile delinquency. Definition: abnormal or antisocial behavior by a juvenile who is below an age specified by statute. Running away from home, runaway children, wandering on street, railway station, roads, etc. Bad company, street children whose responsibilities. Who is juvenile delinquency? Juvenile delinquency are those often include boys and girls who are normally under 16 years of age. Juvenile delinquency is a young person incorrigible or habitual disobedient. Act of delinquency may include running away from home without permission of parents, habitual truancy beyond the control of parents, use of vulgar language. Use of vulgar language, wandering railroads, streets and marketplace, visiting gambling centers, committing sexual offense, shoplifting, stealing. Juvenile may do such activities single or through a gang. Causes of juvenile delinquency. According to Haley Borner, the cause of juvenile delinquency are bad company, mental conflicts, love of adventure, school dissatisfaction, poor reaction, street life, and vocational dissatisfaction. The cause of juvenile delinquency may be classified under two major factors. जुनल डेलिक्वेंसी को खासतौर पर दो फैक्टर्स में डिवाइड किया हुआ है, एक सोशल फैक्टर है और एक पर्सनालिटी फैक्टर. सोशल फैक्टर में social factor favoring juvenile delinquency, broken homes, poverty, delinquency areas, and campaigning and gang begging. Second, other social environmental factor, school dissatisfaction, film and literature. Personal and individual factor, mental deficiency and delinquency, and second, emotional problem of enjoyment. What is mental? It has been observed that number of delinquent are mentally deficient. Emotional problem, mental trouble, and emotional maladjustment are a strong factor in delinquency are not born so, but they become so due to social circumstance and personal deficiency. Thus, it may be said that juvenile delinquency is the result of both social and environmental, personal और individual factor. पैदाइशी कोई बच्चे जुनाइल डेलिक्वेंसी में मुब्तला नहीं होते, बल्कि उनको जब ऐसा सरकमस्टेंस दिया जाता है, ऐसे मेल एडजस्टमेंट दी जाती है जो कि वो एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाते अपनी सोसाइटी में, तो इस वजह से वो जो है जुनाइल डेलिक्वेंसी के तरफ चले जाते डेलिक्वेंसी की तरफ चले जाते हैं. रेमेडीज ऑफ जुनाइल डेलिक्वेंसी, प्रिवेंशन एंड रिहेबिलिटिव मेथड्स. Discussion, debates and studies has been made at the national as well as international levels by scholars to seek out effective remedies for these problems. There are two methods suggest: preventive methods and rehabilitative methods. Preventive methods: in order preventive juvenile delinquency, following measure may be suggested: creating a team at government as well the private level for the prevention, giving proper training to the member and staff of all organizations concerned with delinquency control, establishing child guidance clinic or give appropriate treatment to the distributed the maladjustment children, educated to the families to realize the importance of giving proper attention to the needs of their young children, improving the social environment, slums areas, busy markets and place etc. Rehabilitative method, legislative measures and Bristol schools. Thanks.